Hello friends, and welcome to part 2 of my decorating process. Today I'm just finishing up decorating my Valentine's Day junk journal, and I will link the last 2 videos of part 1 of my decorating process and then just my actual process in making this journal. If you missed those, definitely go check those out. But let's get to it and we'll finish up this journal today. So I've already decorated the first half and I'm just flipping to the middle to start decorating the last part. And for this ledger paper, I simply just added some of these heart gem stickers or gemstone type stickers from Dollar Tree just to add a few more hearts. Why not? Usually I just use the ledger paper for journaling, so I kind of wanted to leave it. And next I have this page here. It does flip out, but I'm just going to grab my scissors and cut sort of down the middle, kind of just eyeballing it because I'm going to create a pocket. And rather than doing 2 pockets, I decided to just glue down this top flap completely just to have this as a background. And then the bottom flap here will just be the one pocket. So I'm just going to glue the side and then the bottom to seal that up. Next, I just grabbed this cut apart from my Valentine's Day paper pad by Park Lane, and then this heart paper clip. And I'm just gonna clip it to this page. Then I just grabbed this scrap paper to see if it fit inside of my pocket here. And I'm going to just make a little insert. So I just grabbed this 3x4 Project Life journaling card, and I'm just going to simply glue that to the heart paper. Next, I'm going to take one of these felt hearts from Dollar Tree, and I'm just foam taping that for decoration and adding another glittery heart sticker as well, also from Dollar Tree. And we'll flip the page, and I think I'm just going to start working on this little pocket, or what I'm going to turn into a little pocket page. So I'm just going to glue the edge here and the bottom. Bring that together. And next I'm going to just take my 2-inch punch and do a little notch at the top. Then I grabbed another piece of scrap paper, which fit perfectly in there, so I'm going to turn this one into a journaling card as well. And I'm just going to tear apart some of this paper and glue it right on to the front. I have this Carta Bella ephemera pack, and I'm just grabbing a few different pieces from there. This one says, "Roses are red, violets are blue, and I love you." And then the next one's just a little flower. So I'm going to add those to my journaling card here just to embellish that a little bit. And then when I stick it into my pocket, you can see that sentiment at the top there. Next, I'm going to go in with one of these cupcakes, also from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to foam tape that to the edge there, just for some decoration. There's my little treat bag, which I'm not doing much to, but I'm just seeing if this scrap now will fit in the pocket there. So I'm going to quickly decorate it again with the same ephemera pack. Hello, my love. And I'm foam taping that just to the front to make a nice little easy journaling card. And then I decided to just corner round it. And that's my insert for my treat bag page. Then I'm going to add some heart felt stickers from Dollar Tree as well. And just to dress up the page a little bit, maybe I want to journal there or put a photo. Next, I'm just moving right along to this rainbow page. And I'm thinking whether or not I should turn it into a pocket page again, which I think I did turn it into a pocket page. As you can see, I'm just gluing the edges to close that up. And then here we have a 4x6 Project Life card that says Cherish. And I'm going to use that as my insert. It was a perfect fit, so maybe I'll put some 4x6 photos in there as well. And then this cut apart was also from my Valentine's Day paper pad. So I'm just using some of my heart washi tape here to attach that. And here we are on the last page. So I decided to take some glitter hearts from, you guessed it, Dollar Tree. And I decided to embellish the edge of the page here. So what I'm going to do is just foam tape all of those little hearts along the edge of the page. And for my last few inserts, I just grabbed some other scraps, seeing if they fit. And this one's just a little card. So I put "I love us" on the front. That's from the same Carta Bella ephemera pack. And I decided to corner round this one as well. And then I added this love wooden piece to the corner of the pocket, also from Dollar Tree. And then I just have the paper bag pocket in the very back. So I had some extra paper here. I will probably just use it as a journaling card or a photo mat, but I kind of just stuck that in for now. And that's the completion of the second part. So now that I finished my whole journal, I'm just doing a quick little flip through of the whole entire thing. But obviously this is not like the final, well, it is the final journal, but you know, as you journal more in there, usually I embellish a lot more, I decorate a lot more, of course, as I go. So these are just simple and basic decorations that you can do ahead of time if you like. And again, you can always add more as you go. So that's what I usually do. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed my decorating process. The voiceover videos were new for me, so I hope that was okay. But sometimes when I decorate, I just like to relax and listen to music and zone out. So I think the voiceover was helpful for me at least. And I love these flippy pockets. I mean, I make a lot of smaller projects too with flippy pockets like this, so of course I have to incorporate them into my journal, right? And then quickly just going through the last part that we just did. But I hope that you guys enjoyed once again seeing my decorating process. So if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration. And other than that, I will see you all in my next one. And we're just going through the same things that we just did. All right, guys, happy crafting and huge hugs to all of you.